Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online transactions with Square. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your online transactions with Square, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Account and Settings section from the dashboard. Select Security, where you will find various security options. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection. This ensures that a verification code is sent to your mobile device during login. Next, configure your notifications to receive alerts for important account activities. Make sure your password is strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Consider using a password manager to help remember complex passwords. Now, review your payment processing settings. Ensure that Secure Socket Layer (SSL) encryption is enabled for all transactions. SSL encrypts data sent between the customer and your server, keeping it private. When processing payments, use Square's built-in fraud detection features. Monitor transactions for any unusual activity and address concerns immediately. Make sure your devices have the latest updates to protect against vulnerabilities. Consider using a dedicated device for handling transactions to minimize risks. Finally, regularly back up your transaction records for safety. Following these steps will help ensure that your online transactions with Square are secure and protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.